Welcome to Zoology Studies. In this video tutorial, we learn about the topic tongue rolling. Tongue rolling is a genetic characters. They are determined by the dominant genes. Tongue is the muscular hydrostat present on the floor of the mouth. The upper surface of the tongue is covered by the papillae and taste buds. Tongue rolling is the ability of tongue to roll in a distinct shape when it is extended from the mouth. Some of the people have ability to roll the tongue. This is a dominant character, capital R. The people who cannot roll the tongue is a recessive character. It is due to the presence of recessive gene, small r. Then now the diagram of tongue rolling. This diagram is dominant genes. They are tongue rolling. These genes are recessive genes. They are non-tongue rolling.